Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Greater Portmore Health Center. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think Portmore should have a hospital, a government hospital? Now, Portmore has one of the largest populations in Jamaica, and it's so large that it's going to become a parish. So, the government announced recently that they're going to be spending $10 billion to improve the health infrastructure in St. Catherine. And they plan to spend $660 million to upgrade this facility, which is the health center. So I'm asking, with that kind of money, do you think the government should be building a hospital for Portmore instead of upgrading these health centers, or do both? No. If you're in Portmore, you need to go to a government hospital. You have to go to Spanish Town, or you have to go to KPH in Kingston. Spanish Town Hospital is in Spanish Town, which is also in St. Catherine, and KPH is in Kingston, a separate parish. There is no government hospital in Portmore. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the upgrade of this facility. But leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about Portmore getting a hospital. The Greater Portmore Health Center in St. Catherine is being upgraded to a Type 5 comprehensive facility with state-of-the-art features to enhance healthcare delivery to residents. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Tufton signed a $660 million contract and broke ground for the expansion works. The project is being undertaken as part of a $10 billion investment by the government in the development of health infrastructure across the parish under the Health System Strengthening Program. The program is a collaborative effort supported by international partners, including the Inter-American Development Bank and the European Union. Dr. Tufton said the Greater Portmore Health Center expansion project will be a game changer in primary health care delivery. It will provide dedicated spaces for X-ray, oral rehydration, laboratory isolation, asthma treatment, and other specific treatment areas. It will also include an administrative department with office spaces, training areas, a conference room, staff lounges, nurses station, and lunchroom. The contract sum entails construction costs and equipment installation upon completion. Dr. Tufton said the project is an investment in the people of Portmore. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.